Are you putting the leaving on the man one time?
Make me lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Dala sivela ku-YouTube tindwe tabo
Wena phela and ukhona kule video
Khona.
le ngi-upload
awuqobo
ukhona
awushe wena
khani i-poste
wena ule-fake friend wena anisitshele
ngakutshela mina
and asishutha kani nje is not make sure anisigcoke
Are you putting the leaving on the man one time?
Make me lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? Let me just pick this up. I'll talk to you guys once I get there because I'm currently very busy. I'm also setting the car up. But yeah, that's it.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so.
yeah
Hi, this is Payo. I'm at Color Building Divine Salon. Payoni. I'm the best twin style gel, knotless and relax. You see. Oh, better no man me like na just style pattern. Namona na eh.
okay bye
I touch that spot for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch I do it. Then we'll promise get it. I'm not. Long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing. I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Hi guys, so I am currently here at my lash appointment. It's 2 minutes to my scheduled time, which was 12:30, and the lash tech is currently not here. Apparently she went out, but hopefully she's gonna be back soon. And yeah man, I didn't even talk to you guys in the morning because I just had a lot going on and I was trying to sleep. I was very sleepy. Nonetheless, I just want to say today I'm just getting my lashes done, nothing hectic, and yeah, I'll show you guys the process. I don't think I'm going to show you guys the process because now that's going to be wasting her time, you know what I'm saying? And if you know, creating content takes a long time and it takes multiple takes. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you're a content creator or someone who likes creating content, you'll understand what I just said. So it takes time basically to make it short. So yeah, I'm just seated here you know, I'm waiting for her to come back, and hopefully she comes back right now. I can't wait to get my lashes done. Like, I haven't had them in a while. And also I like her attention. Like, her attention is mad. Like, I think one, her lashes are very expensive. She like is a very expensive lash tech, but I just like how her lashes stay on for a long time. And I had my previous lashes 3 months back, and I've had them for 3 months straight. If you cannot tell, there's a few lashes here. I tried taking them out and they were not budging, babe. They were absolutely not budging at all. So that's a 10 out of 10. She just broke the scale for me when it comes to her retention. And yeah, that is why I am back. I'll talk to you guys later. And yeah. Oh, I didn't even show you guys my nails.
I touch that spot for you. I do that 3 times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch like you. It's all that I'm over. Let's get it done. I'm not. Long if you chose it, now it's for me. I got it. I've been skipping, do it. I your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top chat right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. We take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on you, day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be grown when you're not here. I'm saying, I can't lose.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. What you feel, baby, address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. Don't deny what you feel, baby, address you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. You make me so.
Hey, how do I do this? I don't know why. I have no idea why it's not working, but okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Malisa. If you're new to my channel, please do go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't want to see more of me now, I promise you're gonna want to see more of me later. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my love. So I am currently at home right now. I'm in the bathroom. I want to go shower, but I know I haven't spoken to you guys in the morning, so I just want to give you guys a rundown on how my day went. It didn't go as planned, but at least I got my hair done. So I was not able to talk to you guys at all. I know my lips are crusty right now, but I promise I'm going to fix that. I just need to update you guys so that I can get my day going. So yeah, today is the INNIBOS day. Today is a festival day. So I am about to shower and get ready for today. I'm going to meet up with my friends. I don't know where. I think we'll still communicate that. And yeah, I just hope you guys stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please do share this video and the previous videos that I have on my channel. This is how I'm currently looking. Yeah.
Hi guys, so those are the buses, the city park buses that we're going to climb, and they are going to take us to INNIBOS, so stay tuned you guys. So we are currently walking down to the city park buses. So yeah, man, it's just too much, but yeah, talk to you guys once we get there. I wasn't able to show you guys me getting ready, my get ready with me, because I was all over the place. But yeah, my hair is still good, my curls are still good. Hi. Oh, here's another one.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose.
Are you playing the leaving on the man one time?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Hi guys, I hope you guys can hear me. So yeah, we made it to INNIBOS. I just finished eating stir fry rice by the clip that you guys just saw previously. So it's still me, everything's still good. Yeah, everything's still good. I'm waiting for my friend and she's still not here. She decided to attend a different event, but nonetheless, whew, yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to my Tapella's vlog.
Open up your mind and just rest.
Good morning, you guys. It's the next day, and I just woke up. It's the next day. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know in the beginning of the video I wasn't really present or like vocal rather, but I tried my best to vlog for you guys. You guys know how much effort I put into like vlogging, how much effort I put into creating content. I'm still new to this, but I know I do my best and I know I'm proud of myself. But nonetheless, I don't want to talk too much. I just want to say, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. And yeah, I just woke up. It's currently like 9 a.m. in the morning. The next day also. We came home. No. Okay, bye guys.